This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Anita and I'm an international swimwear photographer, and I show you how I do what I do on my channel. Today I will be showing you a video of film versus digital. I shot this beautiful photo shoot in Bali and I used both film and digital cameras, and I wanted to show you the difference between the feel of the photos. I wanted to see if you have any opinions on which ones you like the most and so on. So let's get right into it.
Yeah, we have a nice little commune going on. I love this. You can have your eyes closed. You can just or you can be cutting the lemons. That's what I'm doing at first, so you don't have harsh shadows if you're looking down. Beautiful. Yes, perfect. That's really nice. Oh, I love that. Stay like that. This looks amazing. I'm gonna get like a close-up of you cutting. So it's just gonna be maybe like either half-body portrait or just even the detail shot of you just cutting in your body, basically.
This particular shoot, I really wanted to lean into accessorizing. I wanted to get a bunch of fruits. I got lemons, mangoes, and some dragon fruit, and I ended up using lemons and mangoes. And I also wanted to lean into the yellow color scheme, so when I saw my model brought these yellow suits, I was super happy. I also wanted to use this little headscarf because I saw it as my inspo and I had it on my page for a while, so I wanted to play around with that as well.
A little bit maybe in front, so move it this way. Just put it against the plate and just this way. Yes, exactly, perfect. That's cute. Oh yeah, I love that. Yes, love, that's super pretty. You can close your eyes as well. Just keep closing your eyes as you cut the lemons casually. That's what one does. 800 F.
Those of you who have been observing my channel for a while, you will know that I've only recently gotten into shooting film, and I have to say I love it. It's definitely a new experience and a learning curve by far, but I do really enjoy it. For this particular photo shoot, I used two cameras. I used my Sony a7R IV and I had my 24-70 f2.8 lens, as well as the 70-200 2.8 lens as well. And for my film camera, I had the Canon N1, I had a 24-70 lens, and I had a Portra 400 film as well.
Oh, do you know what? Even you like this, just like even reaching for a lemon, you don't have to be cutting it, just like reaching for it. That's fine. Oh yeah, love that. Just like that. I just need to change my settings 1 second. Don't worry about looking at me, I know it's very bright. That's beautiful. Oh, do you know what? What if you lay with your head close to next to the lemons and your legs this way? Because I think it'll be kind of cool with the... Oh, yeah. Love. Oh, that's beautiful. And maybe put this hand down, the one closer to me. Yes, exactly. Oh, yeah, love. What if you're actually sideways instead of just like straight on your back? Yeah, because this way you can have a bit more shape and not just like, I'm collapsed dead. What if you're like even like sitting up a little bit? Yes. Perfect. And actually, do you know what? Now let's get rid of the scarf. It's just starting to look like a diaper for whatever reason. So even the way you were cutting at the very beginning, I'll just do a video. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Lemon down! Oh no! That's okay, I'll just take a picture or two. You can leave it there, it's fine.
When it comes to my settings, I usually just mimic whatever I take on my digital onto my film. I also use the film light meter that is in my camera. I don't really use an external light meter, and it usually works pretty well for me.
I'm actually gonna, just 1 second while you're sitting like that, I'll grab my other lens. I should just have it next to me. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful, I love that. Oh, that looks so cute. That looks beautiful. The sun comes out from the tiniest cloud. That looks beautiful though. Oh, it's so pretty. Just like that. Oh, they like that? I need this on camera. Well, I have it on camera, but don't need my other camera. That's beautiful. They like that, and then what's the settings? Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's so pretty, I love this. Beautiful. I just want one, maybe just the way you were sitting. Close your eyes, and I'll just take it with the sun. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's beautiful. Let me just change my lens quick. Can you bring them a bit closer to you, like the lemons? Yeah, keep going. That's so cool. Love. Let me see what the backlight is like. Oh my god, I have so much water in my eyes. Just turn this. Perfect. 1, 2. Beautiful. Cool. Oh, let's get in the shade for a second. I need a... Just stay like this. Let's see. I just need to adjust my settings first. 1 second. Exactly like that. Is it cold? Did you get it to your nose? Oh no. Oh yeah, I see it. I got the shot. Well, you can try and put it on your chin instead of if you're like pulling it.
See, I closed my...
I think instead of trying to pour it down your brain. Or try and even like put it higher a little bit if you can. Let's see. 1 second. And turn maybe a little bit more towards me. Yes. And then it's beautiful. You can have 1 or 2 where you're just like pouring it on yourself, just on your chest. Just on your chest. You can kind of miss your head completely. You can have a bit further and just like it down a little bit more. Yes, beautiful, exactly. Love. That was cute. Are you okay with wetting your hair?
Yeah.
Cool. Because I was thinking the shower shot will be really nice right now with the light. So if you want...
When we were done with the lemons, I saw that the shower had absolutely beautiful backlight and it was getting pretty hot, so I thought it would be a nice opportunity to get some water on us. And for this particular shot, I decided to put on the 70-200 lens on my Sony for it. It looked so beautiful and dreamy, and I really wish I had this lens for my analog, but unfortunately I don't. So I ended up just shooting on the 24-70 for that one. But I have to say, I am obsessed with how this set of photos turned out in particular.
Fully submerged, even if you're exactly. That looks so nice. I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna get a little video. Beautiful. Yes, that looks so good. I'll take some more shots. Yes, beautiful. That looks so cool. I'm obsessed. I just need to be a bit further, sorry. To be like here, I think. Beautiful. I love that. Stay like that. I'm just gonna go here now. Take your time. Yes. Oh my god, that looks so good. Actually step out a little bit from the shower, just a little bit. Just take your time, it's fine. No, you can still keep it running. Just like a tiny bit out and turn your booty towards me. You don't have to be that far even. I just want like the water to like barely touch you basically. Just like that, perfect. Yes. Oh, I love that. And turn your booty towards me a little bit more. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. And do that, but just come a bit more here this way and turn your body a bit more towards me. Yes, perfect. Beautiful. Can we try one with the light? You can have your eyes closed, it's fine. You can stand here and just be like washing and have your eyes closed, it's fine. No, not yet.
Wow.
You're good. So you can close your eyes, turn towards the light a bit more. Yes, perfect. Oh good, that's way too. Okay. And chin up a little bit more.
At this point of the photo shoot, it was getting unbearably hot, so we ended up going inside and taking photos by this really beautiful window that was in one of our rooms. I was absolutely crazy about the architecture of it and how amazing my model looked in the middle. I did end up taking more digital than analog pictures just because it was quite dark inside and quite light outside, but I still love how these photos turned out. I think it's such a moody feeling. We accessorized, we played with the towel on her head, with the book, and then we got her to stand outside of the window as well, and the pictures turned out absolutely perfect.
Oh yeah, beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
I don't know where to put my hand.
Even like maybe on your neck or something, or like playing with your hair. Yeah, that's perfect. Beautiful. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, I love that. I want that on my other lens. Where is it? Is it outside? There it is. Beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice because we have the little eye twinkles. What if I was here? Oh, this is interesting. So I'm just like, hi, bye. Oh yeah, I like that. Beautiful. What if you don't look at me, just like look through the window and stuff? Yeah, you're just like lost in thought.
I'm a master videographer.
Wow, so proud of you. Beautiful. What if you like have both hands in the book? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. Yes, oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Super pretty. I got the shot for sure. I don't want to be overshooting. You could just take one picture, maybe outside if you're like, maybe if you're standing on the chair actually. Try and stand on it, just careful. Make sure you're okay. Don't die. You good? Let me see. Oh, beautiful. to change my lens, 1 second.
My digital photos, I decided to use the Prism Lens FX Streamy filter. I thought it would imitate the analog vibe a little bit better, and I actually have to say that it came out really nice. So if you see a soft glow on these pictures, that's exactly what it is.
What if you're a bit closer to the window, actually? So let's move you in the chair, but that looks beautiful. I'm just trying to get the best. Careful. Oh, I just switched on my camera. Oh, yeah. Yes. What bothers me that her knees are in the shot, so it's just kind of beautiful. I love that, actually. Just like straight on with legs like that, even like, maybe even a bit more from this back, if that's okay. Yes. Oh, just like that. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Oh, I love that. So like that, stay like that. Throw on her too. And look at me. Yes. Beautiful. That looks really cool. We got that one. You can come back inside. Exactly. You don't have to acknowledge me. Beautiful. Love. It's really nice. What if I'm here almost? Oh, that's nice as well. Okay, might have to. Let's see. This is great, but you have to stand a bit further because there's a lot of shadows in here. It's a bit dark. It's cute. Yes. Oh, that looks so good. I love it. I'll show you. So you don't think I'm crazy.
Yeah, it's nice.
The colors are really like cute. Maybe just for the towel, it's just like a little bit square here on the top. I don't know if we can like. Do you want to go to the mirror and see if it's like easier to? Cutting some mango. It's very orange.
So you have still some dragon fruit.
Oh, juicy. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. There you go, my queen. If you turn around towards me, so it's just like, I just don't want your whole face to be in the sun. I think it's gonna be kind of hard. Even sitting like this is kind of nice, I think. Let's see. Yes, that's super cute. Oh, and another thing that would be kind of cool is if we grabbed you an orange. Oh, we're not gonna do that. The orange is gonna burn her skin if she's in the sun afterwards. Yes, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. And show me a bit more of the actual thing, because it's like ugly otherwise. Maybe a little bit less, because now it's just like, yes, beautiful, just like that. A bit less, because now it just looks like you have these big yellow lips. So a bit more of the mango, actually. Yes, beautiful. A tiny bit of the swimsuit sticking through.
For this last look, I wanted to play a bit more with the fruits, having my model interact with it. I feel like it looks much more natural and organic when the model is actually eating the fruit and playing around with it and having fun.
You have to be in the sun, sorry. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Just maybe on the verge of the shade, you see where the shower is?
It's time to have a word from our sponsor. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Squarespace offers intuitive tools to build websites as unique as your art. One of the features that I'm absolutely thrilled about is the Fluid Engine. With its next generation website design system, unlocking unbreakable creativity has never been easier. Starting with a best-in-class template, you can customize every design detail effortlessly using the reimagined drag and drop technology. It's seamless on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to stretch your imagination online. For someone like me who values a unique, visually stunning website, Fluid Engine is a game changer. And photographers, listen up. Squarespace isn't just about beautiful websites. It's also a powerful tool for selling your photography. With the online store features, whether it's physical prints or digital downloads, Squarespace provides everything you need to start selling online. It's like having your own photography store at your fingertips. Now, here's something that sets Squarespace apart: appointments. Accept booking for its private sessions, workshops, or group classes directly on your website. Manage your schedule, accept secure payments, and even send automatic reminders. It's a lifesaver for us photographers who wear multiple hats. And speaking of showcasing your work, Portfolios and Galleries feature is a dream for photographers. Professional designs, customizable galleries, and the option to add password-protected pages. It's the perfect platform to present our visual stories to the world. But wait, there's more. Monetize your creativity with member areas. Sell exclusive access to sections of your website, turning your passion into a source of income. It's like having your own VIP section for your most dedicated followers. Now, I know you're eager to get started. Head to squarespace.com/Anita for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, you'll receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So, fellow photographers, make your online presence as stunning as your photography. I will see you on Squarespace.
Just open and close your eyes whenever you feel like it. It's fine. I'll just capture it. Yes, beautiful. Is there any way I could see a little bit of your booty on the surface?
I'll try.
Or even if you can like, push yourself and I'll take the picture. Yes, beautiful. You can just like keep like kicking yourself off and I'll take the picture on you. Yes, exactly. Close your eyes. It's fine. Yeah. Yes, beautiful. Yes, I love that. That's really nice. And try and look at me for one if you can. Yes, beautiful. That's cute, like that. And then chin up, yes. Oh, love that. Perfect. And let me just get it.
After that, she played some more with the lemons with her different suit, and I think these turned out absolutely perfect. I actually love it.
One or two, yeah. Cute. And maybe one full one, just to maybe behind them or something. Cute. Beautiful. Oh, I love the shine on your body. Love. So pretty. Yes. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh, just to stay like that, cover your eyes. It's actually really cool. Dude, I'm obsessed. That's so cool. Let's see. Yes, beautiful. Oh, I love that. Let's move you around a little. Or if there's anything else, maybe if you like sit up a little bit again or something, or... Oh yeah, just like that, beautiful. Yes, perfect. Oh yeah, love. Just like that. Can you brush your hair again? Oh, love. Beautiful. I want like a... Yes, you can close your eyes. I'm gonna get a close up. Can you actually, no, you're fine. Yes, perfect, just like that. 1, 2.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which pictures did you like more. Are you team analog or digital? I have to say I'm obsessed with both, and I almost like digital more, which is very interesting. I just love the hazy soft look. I love the color grading, but I do definitely really enjoy the film as well. So I would love to hear your thoughts. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.